Okay, on this video I'll show you how I flipped an NFT there in 80 minutes. This is the Walking Dead Vox. I'm not suggesting this is what you should or can do. I'm just showing what I have done in the hopes that it's interest to you. Anyway, basically there's this Walking Dead Vox. So the Walking Dead, part of AMC brand, massive brand. Gala Games also a huge company in terms of its potential. Originally from Zynga Games, the founder Eric Schreimeyer was one of the co-founders of Zynga Games. Gala Games have a tremendous amount of money in their treasury, having very successfully sold a lot of NFTs. So they have billions in their reserves. They've not gone to any shareholders or anything, so they have got plenty of money to go at this business. And what they're doing is supporting and funding multiple games. So we've got Superior here, which has got some really good reviews coming out on it so far. We've got the Walking Dead, Empires, obviously massive brand, particularly America. We've got Legends Reborn. This looks like a really good graphical game. We've got Spider Tank's been around for a little while that can play as a brawler type game. We've got Townstar, a farming simulation very similar to Farmville. In fact, the lead engineer on Townstar was one of the lead engineers with Farmville 2. We've got Miranda, some massive multiplayer role-playing game, a fantasy game. This has got lots of support for it, although it's very early stages yet, maybe another year or two before that becomes a fully playable game. Legacy, again, great background and pedigree there from the people who are behind Legacy. That's a business simulation game in development. Last Expedition and Echoes of Empire and Fortified. So lots of games coming onto the platform here. But what Gala are also doing is building the ecosystem to allow these games to be played on blockchain. They're developing their own Gala chain as well to solve the problems that chains such as Ethereum have with their high gas fees and so on. But anyway, let's get back to what I did in terms of my purchase and then sale. I have two founders nodes with Gala Games, and founders node holders were invited to be the first to buy the Walking Dead Vox Box. Now, historically, when Gala Games have sold Vox Boxes in the past, they've gone incredibly well. And if we go to Opensea, here we can see the Vox Box. There are 512 owners at the moment. There's only ever going to be 8,888 in total that will be produced. And later on today, these will be available for the general public. So what we've seen at the moment, if we look at the price history here, so the first units came on sale. Let's go here. So typically about an hour ago, I'm not quite sure how they would have been a couple through there at 6 hours ago, but an hour ago, selling at 2.15 Ethereum, 2.18, 2.2, 2.3. So it looked like they were going up in price, but there were people, node holders, buying these. Now the price seems to be dropping too. 2.1, 1.5, 19,000 Gala, 1.5 Ethereum, 17,000 Gala, 1.499, 1.488. And so the price is dropping. So here is me from my account. I sold mine for 17,000 Gala. I bought that 80 minutes ago at 11,035 Gala. So that's a 6,000 Gala increase in value in just that time. So that was just 10 minutes ago. Here you go at 2:18 p.m. And 28th of March. So that was a quick flip. What I intend to do is keep an eye on things. I don't know if I'll be getting back into these. There's the public sale later on today at about 9 p.m. UK time, 10 p.m. Actually, I think it's 11 p.m. UK time. And I may well, having flipped, may try and get another couple. There could be another quick flip. And then the price will come back down because these boxes won't be open. People won't know what's in these boxes. So there'll be a fair number of people who will just sell because they just don't know what they've bought them. They don't know why they've bought them. There's a box and they don't know what they're going to get in them. Other people will be buying them and holding them for that big reveal because some of them could be incredibly valuable. So it's a bit of a loot box. It's a bit of a lottery in that sense. So yeah, I'll just see how the pricing goes for the rest of the day. I'm not making any guarantees. I'm not suggesting, like I said at the start, this is what you should do or anything like that. I'm not a financial advisor. That's not what this is about. This is simply to show you what I've done and where I think I might go with this. And hopefully you found that useful and interesting. So if you'd like more videos on how to get your money working for you, then do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be updating more videos in the due course. Also, if you're into NFTs and crypto, that's also a passion of mine as well. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video, and thanks for watching.